Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today's a vlogging series, so what's happening, everything else for that as well. We have a new one in our family. His name is Cream. He's about 6, 7 weeks old. We'll be fostering three more cats, and we'll keep another one as well. So we'll have a total of a lot of cats. If you guys don't know, we do rescue animals and find them homes and stuff. Some of them we do keep. Cream is a new addition to the family that we're gonna keep, but we also foster a lot of them too because it's kitten season, and also a lot of people, a lot of cats that aren't fixed. Make a lot of litters and everything else, and it's in this cruciating heat. They'll abandon their kittens and other or the mother cat. Something happened to the mother cat as well. But he's very sweet, and make him another emotional support animal for it as well. We just got him on 4th of July, just letting you know, in the morning. A neighbor found it out in the forest, and uh, I believe that uh, if it was just by itself in the forest, then it was one of the cat that's been abandoned. But got this done. Surprisingly, no fleas. Um, done bath and everything else. Tomorrow we'll go get him his stuff. We got his cat food and a little bit of infamil. Usually at this stage, they can have just regular food, kitten food, but it was kind of a little bit malnourished looking at it. So we are going to be fattening him up a little bit, then switch him into like slowly, gradually switch him into dry food. His teeth is, it's there, but it's not as strong to like break into a kibble. He just gobbles up just looking at him. So yeah, if you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and any donations will help Cream and four other kittens that we are going to be fostering as well. And yeah, I'll be sleeping with him on the floor tonight. A lot of times you don't want to let kittens be on their own, and he needs to get used to our footsteps and doors. Kind of scared him for a bit as well. We just finished up the Leviathan and Wrath of Soul King build. I am going to be painting Thunder Chad, Thumber Chad, whatever his name, I pronounce his name is. Um, the Red Dragon. You can compare this cat to this one. I'll be painting him tomorrow, um, or Wednesday when this video was out. Then we'll be working on three more other D&D painting. Then we'll be going back to Warhammer and painting more Warhammer stuff as well. Yes, Cream, I know. I know. I know. I want to see Cream a lot closer as well. But he is a very cute kitten. Uh, for it. You can't look at him. He's a brown tabby. If everyone wants to know his breed. So, yeah, this is a brown tabby. But he has that kitten smell, even though I give him a bath today. But yeah, I'll be doing a comment video pretty soon. Repeat a lot of your comments and stuff like that as well. We did the Terminator Knights for the Dark Angels as well. I'll be putting up a lot more builds for the new Dante and one of the Necrons and the Gene Stealers I do have. Um, we're also getting a shipment of Orc by my friends that I'm gonna buy off from my friend that he gave up building a bit, but not everyone can handle multiple hobbies. I have tremendous amount of hobbies I go back and forth to for that matter. So we have orcs. Actual GW product orc. Some of them are we got some 3D printed that he 3D printed. So we'll have an actual orc army. So all I need to do now is have Tau, Eldar, Dark Eldar, um, and Zinch and Slanesh army. And I have all the army that I want, that I can actually have and mustered up. The Space Marines and their different factions. I'll deal with that later on. So far, I have Blood Angels and Dark Angels. I might the next one might be the Ultra Space Marines or the Salamander or the White Scars, or the Fist. So we'll see how that goes. But I do want to do Grey Knights for that as one of the Battles of Sisters. And those probably going to be 3D printed for a long run as well. But I am going to be selling majority of my painted 3D prints that I don't need anymore. So once that happen, I'll put the link for eBay and stuff to sell my 3D prints for that matter. But other than that, it's been very hot down here in South Carolina. It rains, and it's just humid and hot as opposed to in the summer. But there hasn't been nothing much really going on. I saw some new Age of Sigmar stuff on GW. I have the Nighthawks, but I'm probably gonna do Age of Sigmar later on down the road. It's just don't have the money to buy and print all that stuff, and I'm working on the 40K series right now. But I do have some Age of Sigmar stuff that I might assemble and paint for you guys down the road. If you guys interested in Age of Sigmar or 30K, just let me know down in the comments, like which faction you guys are playing, or 40K, so what faction you guys are playing, so it gives me a good idea of how popular they are. I know some of the lores for the 40K and the 30K, just not much of Age of Sigmar. I know Warhammer Fantasy a bit, but I think I heard they're gonna bring that back some way around end of this year or next year. So those are rumors that are going out right now. But anyhow, I think that will be it for now. But I'm gonna let you see Cream a little bit, and gonna go to Pets Mart and get him his little collar, set him his doctor's appointment, get him little. Probably want to get him a shirt, but I don't think I want to get him. I want to cosplay a cat. I know there's a lot of people that do it. Usually, a lot of times when you do a cosplay cat, you want to do it them at a younger age. For it, I think that would be very cute and everything. But he is a very sweet cat. I'll take that right now. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon and Discord. And let's say bye bye to Cream. Bye to Cream. Bye bye. Bye bye. Well, anyhow, take care, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.